Welcome to paradise, where the warm sun meets golden sands and the ocean whispers tales of adventure. This is Barra, Mozambique, home to Sunset Lodge and the Thirsty Parrot. Our self-catering cottages are your perfect home away from home. With space to comfortably sleep up to 8 guests, they're ideal for families, friends, and anyone seeking a serene escape. Imagine waking up to breathtaking sea views, where every sunrise and sunset paints the sky with vibrant colors. Our cottages come fully equipped with everything you need, from kitchen utensils to fresh linens, ensuring your stay is as comfortable as possible. At the heart of our community is the Thirsty Parrot restaurant and bar. It's a hub of delicious food, exotic cocktails and laughter, all with a backdrop of magnificent views. Adventure awaits in every corner. Dive into vibrant marine life, explore the waters on a boat tour, or take a horseback ride along the beach. There's something for everyone. After a day of excitement, unwind by our communal pool or catch up on your favorite sports with DSTV at the bar. Whether you're here to relax or explore, Sunset Lodge and the Thirsty Parrot promises an unforgettable experience. We look forward to welcoming you soon. Book your dream getaway today and create memories that will last a lifetime.